When there's a fall, you need the right training and equipment to make sure everyone at height reaches the ground safely. The rescue and descent system has descent plus lifting capabilities, key to performing rescue in a variety of environments. No rescue situation is the same. This video will provide you with an overview of the initial site assessment plus 4 common applications, followed by a quick review of the components. As soon as a worker falls, trauma relief should be deployed whenever possible. Ensure there is a safe working area, such as passive protection or a personal fall arrest system for rescuer. Evaluate both the state of the worker and the environment to determine the type of rescue required. Establish a secure overhead anchorage point for rescue operations. If fallen worker is conscious and uninjured, a rescue ladder is a fast and easy self-rescue solution. Attach top of ladder assembly to rescue anchor point with carabiner. Check area below and drop bag, being careful not to hit fallen worker. Fallen worker steps out of straps onto ladder. When using model with belay, attach carabiner on rope grab to ladder. Lower termination end of rope to fallen worker. With rope attached to sternal D-ring, worker begins to climb ladder. Rescuer removes excess slack by pulling rope through grab. The belay system provides protection from secondary falls. When a fallen worker is able to assist in their own rescue by climbing to a safe position, a rescue ladder is an ideal solution. This option requires minimal training. If fallen worker is conscious but needs assistance, a rescue sling can raise or lower the worker to a safe location. A rescue device with lifting capability can be used to detach the fallen worker from their PFAS so they can be lowered to safety. Attach the rescue device to a secure anchor point. Attach carabiner on rope termination to O-ring on rescue sling. Lower sling to fallen worker. Worker positions sling under arms and adjusts pads for comfort. Attach sling back to itself by hooking the rescue clip to the small D-ring. Tighten for secure fit. Turn wheel to lift fallen worker, removing slack from rescue device. Repeat until able to detach connection, SRL or lanyard, and attach to rescue rope. Rescuer ensures fallen worker is ready to receive SRL or lanyard. Rescuer releases connection and fallen worker deflects to avoid injury. Rescuer guides rope during fallen worker's descent. Worker descends and disconnects once safely landed. A rescue sling can be used to move a fallen worker around an obstacle or to raise or lower the person to a safe location. If fallen worker is unable to participate in the rescue, a pick-off allows rescuer to remain secure while bringing the worker to safety. Attach tether and secure pole to avoid creating a dropped object hazard. Screw rescue pole head onto pole. Install rescue carabiner on pole head with pre-attached web connector in open position. Expand pole to desired length, ensuring twist locks are secure. Attach device to secure anchor point with carabiner. Manually feed rope to fallen worker. Raise rope and attach carabiner at termination to web connector on rescue pole head. Place rope into belay and secure through rope lock. Extend pole to fallen worker and connect to suitable D-ring, dorsal, sternal, or front. Turn wheel to lift fallen worker, removing slack from rescue device. Repeat until able to detach connection, SRL or lanyard, and attach to rescue rope. Rescuer ensures fallen worker is ready to receive SRL or lanyard. Rescuer releases connection, taking care to avoid hitting fallen worker. Rescuer guides rope during fallen worker's descent to safe level. The rescue pole can also be used from the ground to guide a fallen worker around a dangerous obstacle. If worker has experienced immobile suspension, they should remain in a seated W position post-rescue. If fallen worker is unconscious or injured, an assisted rescue allows a properly trained and skilled person to rappel directly to the worker and bring them to safety. Attach device to secure anchor point with carabiner. Install backup fall arrest system for rescuer attached to dorsal D-ring. Note rope is secured both through the belay and rope lock. Rescuer attaches rescue device at front D-ring. Rescuer descends carefully, positioning behind worker at or above worker's fall arrest connection. The rescuer connects to the fallen worker with the appropriate tools such as a large carabiner, web connector, or rescue pickoff strap. With fallen worker securely connected, turn wheel to lift fallen worker, removing slack from rescue device. Repeat until able to detach worker from their fall arrest system. Rescuer descends with worker to safe level. If worker has experienced immobile suspension, they should remain in a seated W position post-rescue. The Safewaze rescue and descent system is engineered for rescue with speed limiter and lifting wheel. Before an emergency, users must be trained on the equipment and proper use. Each use must be recorded in the log provided to ensure the maximum cumulative descent distance is not exceeded for each device. Visit us online for full details.